Hello everybody, it is Thursday and I'm at Walmart and I'm excited to share with you guys today's deals. There's not a lot of Ibotta deals, but there is a lot of deals with the other apps, so we're gonna definitely do that. So I ended up getting a $1 bonus for this championship app, like where they basically texted me and I kind of ignored it, and then I'm like, oh, it's a trivia thing. So I only answered one question, so I got $1 for that. That was like for the Super Bowl. It's also my Ibotta anniversary, so I've had this app for what, 9 years? 9 years. So I got a $1 bonus for that if I get 3 offers. The $1 is if I get, or the championship is if I get 1 offer. The anniversary is 3, and then I have a weekend warrior for $1 if I get 10 rebates. So we will see if we even hit that today. But I'm excited to go inside Walmart and share with you guys some deal. I always love looking for clearance and seeing what we can find. Valentine's Day was yesterday, so you know we're gonna look at that. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping at Walmart. So here we have the Kotex liners for the regular for 40 count for $3.14. Otherwise you can get this one 50 count for $3.14. You're gonna pay $3.14 for it, but we currently have a $1 rebate that you guys can get with the Shopium app. Then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5, and then there's also another $1 rebate, but it is a limit of 1. So you can get $3 back in the apps, making this just 14 cents. Here we have some Band-Aids. We have these like little clear spots for $2.56. I have some that are on clearance, but my store doesn't have any. But here's another one for $2.66. There is a $1.50 rebate that you guys can get back with Ibotta, making this just $1.06, or this would be $2 or $1.16. Also here we have the kids Band-Aids for $2.50. You're gonna use that $1.50 off rebate, making it just $1, which is an awesome price that you guys can get for the Band-Aids. So here we have the soft soap, or you can do the Irish Spring for $4.97. I'm gonna get the soft soap because I always get the Irish Spring, but you're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $9.94. But we currently have some rebates that you guys can do. We have a $4 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta. Then you can also submit your receipt to the Shopium app for its $4 off of 2, making that just $1.94 or 97 cents each. And then we also have a Swag Bucks deal where you either buy 2 soft soaps or you have to buy 2 Irish Springs. So it's not one and or the other, it's either 2 or 2. But anyways, you can get 300 points when you purchase 2 of them. So I'm gonna get, again, the soft soap, and that ends up becoming, and this is with Swag Bucks, that ends up getting it to be $1.06 money maker. So here is an easy freebie. We have just the warmer itself for $1.78. You'll pay $1.78, but then there is a $1.78 back with Ibotta, making this an easy freebie. Here we have the Pull-Ups diapers for $9.97. You're gonna pay $9.97, but we currently have a $1.50 off digital coupon in the Shopium app. We get $2 back with a limit of 1 with the Ibotta app, and I also get 1,650 points for purchasing the product through Shopkicks, which is $6.60. This ends up becoming a 13-cent moneymaker. Yes, 13-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. This is actually something I've gotten in the past. They just changed the label since the changed the look since the last time I got this. But there is 1,500 points that you get back with Fetch Rewards, and you get $3.99 back with Ibotta, making this just $2.48. This is a great thing to use if you have like wrinkled clothes. You just spray it on and then kind of hit the clothes to flatten them out, but great deal. So here we have the Progresso soup. My husband asked me to get him some soup, so I am being a good wife and getting him some soup. So these are $2.18. You're gonna buy 4 of them and you're going to pay $8.72 for 4 of them. But we get $1 back off of 4 with Ibotta, and then you can also get, or $1 off of, yeah, 4. And then $1 off of 4 with the Shopping app, making it just $6.72 or $1.68 each, which my husband wants it. I'm gonna get it. There are some cans for $1.96, so check your prices, but get my husband some soup. So here we have the Ortega Street Taco Seasoning Mix for 88 cents. It has to be the street taco seasoning, not the original, okay? So what you can do is you can get 2 of them for 88 cents. You're gonna pay just $1.76 for 2 of them. But you can submit your receipt to Swagbucks where you'll get $3 back when you purchase the 2. And you can also submit your receipt back with Checkout 51 where you get 85 cents times 2, making this a $2.94 moneymaker. And with Swagbucks you can do this deal twice a week, so you can get 4 of them and it'll be like an almost $6 moneymaker, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the Taco Bell seasoning. I think it's 76 cents. We're at 76 cents. I currently have a 10-cent Ibotta rebate, but then I have a 50-cent Ibotta bonus. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I'll get 60 cents back, making this just 16 cents. I have so much taco seasoning, but you can't pass up for 16 cents. So here we have the Klondike, I don't know what these are, cones for $7.98, but my store actually doesn't have them priced correctly. They are $6.97 according to the Walmart app, wherever it is. Right here, $6.97. So there's 2 different scenarios. You can buy 1 of them for $6.97, but then you can get a $2 Ibotta rebate. And yes, this does scan even though it says Klondike, but you get a $2 rebate with Ibotta. Then you also get 4,000 points when you purchase it through the Fetch Rewards app, making it just 97 cents for just 1 of them. But you could buy 2 of them for $6.97. You would end up paying $13.94 for 2 of them. You'll get $4 back with Ibotta, and then you'll get 8,000 points because this is a limit of 5. You'll get 8,000 points when you purchase 2 of them with the Fetch Rewards app. Plus, you also get a bonus when you purchase 2 of them. You get a $1 bonus, making 2 of them just 94 cents, you guys. 94 cents. I'm debating if I want to get 4 of them or 2 of them because I know these will go quickly in my house and I can't pass up cheap ice cream. So here we have the Drumstick brand for $7.48. You can buy 1 for $7.48, but then there is a $3.50 Ibotta rebate, making this just $3.88 for 8 of them. That's a pretty good deal. That's like 50 cents each. And my kids go gaga over these too, so I'm stocking up on these too. Hello everybody, I am back from Walmart. I'm actually waiting for a store to open. I hate being one of those people that are like at a store the minute that they open. Because I used to work retail, I know how it is. But every time I come at the store when they open, this place is like packed. So I got like 5 minutes left. So I went to Walmart and I got everything that I shared with you guys. Everything went by smoothly. Make sure when you guys are submitting your receipts to check Ibotta. I have noticed a lot of items are not popping up when you scan your receipt, and then you have to go like physically scan those items. So notice a lot of times that doesn't happen, so make sure you guys are scanning your receipt. But yeah, my total came to $83.66. $83.63. I did receive $27.87. Now I might be dumb, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I know when you purchase a like gift card. So like you have to put your credit card in and you can purchase a gift card. Like I know with Walmart it's like 0.5% or something like that. But when you do that, that counts as a rebate or a bonus item. Well, I ended up redeeming a gift card like in my balance, and that counted as a rebate, and I don't remember that ever being that way. Correct me if I'm wrong if it's been like that. I just never paid attention, because all of a sudden I like bought my stuff and then I go to submit it and it said that I received my $1 Ibotta anniversary rebate, and I'm like, but I didn't redeem anything. So if that just kicked in, let me know, because there'll be times where I'm like, oh, I need like one more rebate. And if it's gonna do that, I'll just redeem a gift card and then screenshot it for later on. So let me know if I'm just stupid. Usually I pay attention to that stuff, and I thought it never used to be like that. I know it was to purchase a gift card, but not redeem a card. So yeah. But my total was $83.63 for everything. With Ibotta, I received $27.87 for everything. I ended up getting, I thought I had 9 rebates, and I'm like, okay, I need 10 rebates to get my $1. And then I'm like, wait a minute, I have my Kotex is 2, and I'm like, okay, and then there was another one. But anyways, I got 11 Ibotta rebates. So I got $27.87 back. Fetch rewards, you guys. I bought 4 of the Reese's cones because my family, it goes crazy over that stuff. I called my husband. I'm like, what do you want me to get? He's like, well, how cheap is it? And then he's always asked me, like, how do you pay for this stuff? And I always roll my gift cards. Like, he's like, how much do you pay for it? And I'm like, just shut up. I'm saving you money for your belly because you love it. So I ended up getting 4 of the boxes of the Reese's because I could not pass up a box for 97 cents, but I did get that $1 bonus. So 2 boxes are 94 cents. The other 2 boxes are 97 cents each, but I could not pass up. And there's 8 of them, I think. Thankfully, it's like 30 degrees outside, so they're not gonna melt right away, but I am super excited to get that deal. And I've been wanting to try those. So yeah, but for Fetch Rewards, 17,688 points. 17,688 points. I miss Fetch Rewards when it used to be like that. I really, really do. I really, really do. But that is $17.68. You're going to hit the stop sign. You're going to hit the stop sign. Okay. Good. We didn't hit it. Then with Swag Bucks, I did receive 900 points, and that was for the body wash. My alarm's going off because it's 10 o'clock. The body wash, the Ortega, and then I also got something out. Oh, I don't know. But $9 back. Shopkicks, I ended up submitting my receipt for the pull-ups. Now, when I showed you guys that deal, it said it was $16.50. When I submitted my receipt, it went down to $12.50, which is $5. So I have a screenshot it. I don't know what's going on with Shopkicks, but their stuff has just been changing a lot lately. So I submitted my receipt for $12.50. Okay, I am gonna send them a message because it shows that it's $16.50. So I'm like, why are you like, it changes so often. So if I don't message them, it's $5. If I do message them, it should be $6.60. With the Shopium app, I did receive $7.50 back. And then with Checkout 51, I did receive $3.40 back. I finished the Weekend Warriors for $1. I finished that Champion Super Bowl text message thing. I got $1. I did get the Ibotta anniversary one for $1. Taco Bell, I got 50 cents. And then with the Reese's, I did receive that $1. So my grand total with the mess up with Shopkick was $8.71. That's 21 items at 41 cents each, which I will take it. Or if I do message them and they adjust it, it'll be $7.11 at 33 cents each. So Shopkick has just been changing on me, and I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. But yeah, that was everything that I got. I'm pretty excited with some of the items that I got, like that Downy spray. We use that all the time, and I finally almost done with the jar or the bottle that I got years ago. So yeah. Next week, I will not be doing a Walmart haul on Thursday. I will be doing it on Wednesday. We are going out of town Wednesday afternoon. We are going to Gurnee, Illinois. I'm pretty excited. We got a really good deal with Great Wolf Lodge. So we're going to go there. So yeah, but Wednesday will be the day I do my Walmart haul before everybody gets home from school. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week, Wednesday. See you later, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.